Hello everyone, welcome. Trying to transfer your domain to or from Squarespace, but keep running into errors. Here are the fixes. So firstly, scenario 1, transferring a domain to Squarespace. Make sure your domain is unlocked at your current registrar. You'll also need the authorization code, EPP. Request this from the registrar's dashboard. On Squarespace, go to Settings, Domains, use a domain I own, then choose Transfer to Squarespace. Right, so as you can see, you just go to your Settings, Domain, and in here you'll have Transfer a Domain button. So paste in your domain and enter the EPP code when prompted. Also, your domain must be at least 60 days old. Make sure WHOIS privacy is disabled. Squarespace can't verify domains with masked info. Check that the domain uses a supported TLD like .com, .org, or others. Then scenario 2, transferring a domain from Squarespace. So you go to Settings, Domains, and click Your Domain. Then tap Unlock Domain. After that, click Send Transfer Authorization Code to your email. If you see an error like Transfer Not Allowed, check you didn't just register or transfer the domain within the last 60 days. You aren't violating ICANN log policies. That's how you fix this error. Like and subscribe for more domain tutorials. And if your transfer is still stuck over 5 days, drop a comment and we'll try to solve you. Guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.